lift rod is located in front of the driver's seat, attached to the hood and the engine compartment. So before you remove it, make sure you get something that will support the hood when it comes down. So with a pocket screwdriver, you want to take this middle clip and try to prop it out. There we go. Like that, and move it up. Just like this. I don't want it to pop off. Let's see if I can pop it out. There it is. Okay, now I can use my hood prop. Lower it just a little bit. Yeah, now I'm safe. I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom. Take a pocket screwdriver, lift that out of the way, and remove the rod. So when reinstalling the prop rod, there is a smaller hole and then a larger hole. And you can see that the pivots are two different sizes. So we're going to put the larger one on the bottom, pop that on, and then take that clip and lock it down on. So I just used a pair of pliers to get that to click down, and then we'll do the same to the top. Now the top, I'm going to take my hood rod out of the way. Bring that right up. And I took a pair of pliers and I pushed down on the clip, both sides. There it is.